She is a good communicator, an instructor, and participated in various cultural events. The Great Mentors warmly invites Ms. Bhawna Chaudhary for talk show session. Ms. Bhawna is well experienced as principal in many schools and involved in many activities, e.g. art and craft, dance and chocolate making. Her strengths are good communicator, instructor, judgment and decision maker, and as monitor. Participated at various cultural events, organized various events, annual functions, winner of FBB Got Style Get Famous 2013, and conducted teachers workshop in many schools. She is well versed with standard operating procedures, admissions, teaching, administrative processes as per the CBSE norms. Flair knowledge about designing and developing curriculum to meet the needs of the school program as per the CBSE norms. She is expertise in grow student admissions, growth of the school, P&L management, operations and administration, infrastructure, HR, training, and development. Development of curriculum, understanding of institutional developments from inception to management, administration, affiliation, academics, and public relations.